Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. In this video I am going to show you how to fold the dupatta and leggy for easy storage in your closet. Folding a dupatta in quick and easy, and it can help keep your closet organized. Let's get started. I can do is offer some general tips and tricks to help you better organize your closet. For example, you can use hanger with multi-layer to hang more item in less space. You can also create a color coordinated system so that it is easy to find the item you want. Lastly, you can invest in storage box and basket to store items that don't need to be hung. Hope that helps. Lay your dupatta flat on a surface with one end on the top. Make sure it's completely unfolded. Fold the dupatta in half, making sure the two edges are lined up. Take the folded dupatta and fold it in third, creating a long rectangle. Fold the dupatta in half long wave. This should now be a small rectangle. And now it's done. Lay your leggings flat on a surface with the waistband on the top. Make sure it's completely unfolded. Fold the leggings in half, making sure the two legs are lined up. Take the folded leggings and fold them in half again, creating a long rectangle. Fold the leggings in half long waist, and now it's done. guys, if you like this video, please tell me on comment section. I hope you enjoy, and till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.